BESTLIFE 2030 is an initiative that is funded by the European Commission. It's a granting mechanism that ultimately seeks to support local conservation across the EU overseas territories, including Aruba. And IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, is the organization that is coordinating this big program. Is 33 million euros altogether. The duration of the program is more or less 8 years. And what we are doing is supporting local actors in their implementation of actions to protect and to conserve their own biodiversity and ecosystem services. Aruba, just like all the other Dutch cities, and for that matter all the other overseas territories, have a lot of potential. They are the ones who host 80% of Europe's biodiversity, and yet they face more or less the same challenges, and this is why programs like BESTLIFE 2030 can really help in empowering and upskilling the local actors to do actions in the protection of the environment and biodiversity. Yes, exactly, and this is how programs like BESTLIFE 2030 really tap into that opportunity, because one of the main ways we do this is by strengthening the capacity of local organizations in terms of technical elements, in terms of financial elements. Is really by empowering and unlocking the potential of those local actors. How we do this is not just providing the money, it's supporting them while they do their application, they work on their application, and then once they get the grant, how they implement and how they do the reporting, all the aspects that are necessary to implement an EU funding mechanism. For BESTLIFE 2030, which is a program that started in 2023, this is the very first time that we have a grantee from Aruba. It's the University of Aruba. But in previous iterations of BESTLIFE 2030, BEST is an initiative that was created back in 2011, 2012. We've had many other projects from Aruba, but in this concrete program, BESTLIFE 2030, this is the first time that we have a grantee from Aruba. We have plenty of grantees. I think with the second call of proposals, we are reaching 12 grantees. The first call of proposals, I think we was around 6 grantees. So altogether, I think we're talking about nearly 20 new projects that will be developed at the same time in the Dutch Caribbean.